Hello everyone, this is Shopping Obsession. Today I want to show you unboxing of limited edition Swatch and Omega Blue Moon watches. This model stands out with its moon phase function, arguably the most poetic of all watches' complication. Two oversized blue moon rest against the dark blue moon phase disc, which rotates in the subdial set at 2 o'clock. Under UV light, a secret detail appears on the moon phase mask and disc. A moon with various shades of blue can be seen on a battery cover. All DLs in the collection carry the Omega and Swatch branding, the iconic Speedmaster logo and the Moon Swatch logo. The indexes, hours and minute hand and chronograph seconds hand sport create a superluminova for a perfect glow in the dark. The bioceramic bezel of Mission to the Super Blue Moon phase is unlike the other models in the bioceramic Moon Swatch collection. Instead of a tachymeter scale, this blue-hued tonograph features a blue pulsometer scale with white markers. Originally designed for doctors or nurses and mainly found on sport chronographs or counters, the pulsometer scale allows the wearer to measure the heart rate without having to calculate it. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe my channel and support me with likes. See you in the next video.